Looking for the best phone camera lens kit but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best phone camera lens kit based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Mocalaca Lens+Telephoto Phone Camera Lens Phone Camera Lens Phone Lens Kit. Need crisp shots from your phone without breaking the bank? This lens kit screws on in seconds, macro, fisheye, wide angle, you name it, so your snapshots finally stop looking like snapshots. Glass elements cut glare while the universal clamp grips tablets and phones alike, even the selfie cam. Swap lenses fast, toss it in your pocket, and every shot feels pro. If it's not perfect, hassle-free returns cover you. Number 4. MIAO Lab Macro Lens Kit 2 Phone Camera Lens Kit -0.63x Wide Angle Lens and 15x Macro Lens plus 190-degree Fisheye Lens/CPL plus 2x Telephoto Lens Compatible. Caught your kid trying to photograph a spider mid-sprint? Snap a crystal clear 198 degrees fisheye shot with this 5-in-1 lens kit. No squinting, no glare, just insane detail. Perfect for curious young shutterbugs and adults who want pro-level shots without the heavy gear. Clip it on, twist, and you're shooting like a pocket pro in seconds. Number 3. Mootycapa Phone Camera Lens Kit. Unlock smartphone photography like never before. Your pocket just got a full studio. This clip-on kit turns everyday snaps into mini masterpieces with a 198 degrees fisheye for wild circles, a 15x macro for insane detail, and a 18x telephoto that pulls distant scenes tight. Perfect for anyone who loves sharing creative shots without lugging gear. Fits almost any phone, tucks in your bag, and makes every photo pop, no fancy skills needed. Number 2. Bostionye 8 Lens-in-1 Most Complete Mobile Camera Lens Kit Cell Phone Camera Lens Kit. Missed that perfect sunset shot because your phone just couldn't zoom in close enough? This little kit turns your phone into a mini photography beast. The 20x telephoto locks onto distant details so you won't miss a thing, while the 198 degrees fisheye wraps landscapes into eye-catching circles. Macro lovers get a 15x for tiny critters and a 0.63x ultra-wide to cram whole scenes in one frame. Tripod keeps everything steady, and the eye cup turns the telephoto into a mini telescope for birders. Fits 99% of phones, just peel off the case and slide it on. Tiny kit, huge upgrades, instant photo flex. Number 1. MIAO Lab 1 Phone Camera Lens Kit Phone Camera Lens Kit, Wide Angle Lens and Macro Lens plus Fisheye Lens plus ND32//CPL/Color Lens/Star+Kaleidoscope Lens. Love capturing everyday moments but want to make them pop? This 11-in-1 lens kit is perfect for phone photographers who crave more creative control without lugging around heavy gear. Swap between fisheye drama, starburst magic, or those dreamy sunset grads in seconds, just clip it on and align the lens with your camera. Made from solid aluminum for durability, it turns your smartphone into a mini pro setup. Whether you're chasing coral reef vibrancy or just your kid's soccer game, it's easy to use and fits almost any phone. Ready to take your photos from flat to fabulous? Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.